Hello everyone. So today we are in Watford, showing you how to deal with the Woodmere Avenue Crossroads. So we're going to turn right at this crossroad. It's traffic light controlled, and the position you should take here should be offside to offside. So which means I need to go to the second traffic light, like in this instance, and then turn, if it's safe to do so, into the dual carriageway. So at the moment here, the way it looks, the third vehicle waiting to turn right, or maybe, yeah, so the third vehicle waiting to turn right, which means if you are the third vehicle, you should position yourself where the first light on the right, where you can see the first light on the right. The thing is, vehicles in front of me, they're not signaling to turn, so which means they might go ahead or even right. Yeah, you never can expect anyone to signal correctly. So it won't be long until the light is going to turn green. So I'm starting to get ready now to go. At the moment I'm the third vehicle waiting to turn. So now the light goes green. The vehicle in front should start moving. So I've got the learner vehicle in front of me, I'm the second car turning, so I'm going behind the learner. So now I'm looking for a gap or looking for the traffic light to change. So the light changed, I should be able to go now. And that was it, that's how you deal with it. Yeah, so I'm back to the same crossroad again, same position, same road, going right again into the A41. At the moment I've got a learner vehicle in front of the black Peugeot in front of me, so I'm the third vehicle that's turning right. So my position should be by the first traffic light on the right. But it depends, yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is again an offside to offside situation where you should kind of imagine a roundabout in between the crossroads. So the light is going to change soon. Again, I'm the third vehicle waiting to turn. This is an offside to offside situation. I'm turning right into the A41, so I'm waiting for the green light. So the learner is moving and the Peugeot is moving as well. He's going to take that offside to offside situation or not. Yeah, he looks like he's hesitating. Okay, so I'm taking my position here by the island. The light changed, so it's not safe for me to go anymore, so I'm just waiting here. And that's it. That's how you deal with the crossroad if you are the third vehicle waiting to turn right. So this is the position you're supposed to be in. And if it's not safe to continue anymore, you can just wait here. So these vehicles are turning again, which means my light is going to turn soon. I'm the first vehicle, so I need to go all the way to the second traffic light on the right. So I'm currently by the first one. Yeah, so going forwards, no hesitation. Yeah. And now, yeah, I'm just waiting for a good gap or for the light to change. It's quite busy, so no good gaps available. Okay, you can see a gap now, and I'm going for it. So we are back to the crossroad again. We're going to turn right into the dual carriageway. So the first vehicle at the traffic light waiting to turn. I know I have to go all the way to the second traffic light on the right, so this is an offside to offside position. Well, now this might change because of the motorbike. So the benefit of going offside to offside is that you can fit two more vehicles behind you. Okay, so I'm going here, I'm going to wait for the gap. I'm not going to edge forward so I don't obstruct the other vehicles. The light changes, so I should be fine to go. Or not. This lady just ran a red light, almost collided with me there. Back to the same crossroad. This time I'm the third vehicle waiting at the traffic light. No one is signaling. I'm the only one who's going right at the moment. But again, people might not signal for this. So if I'm the third vehicle waiting at the traffic light, or the third vehicle waiting to turn right, I should be positioning myself by the first light on the right. So yeah, the light is going to change soon. We are waiting and see what's happening here. So I get the green lights. I'm waiting to see what's happening. No one is turning right, only me. So I'm going all the way by the second traffic light, waiting for a good gap or the light change. Light change, no one is moving, so I can go. Now we are back to the same crossroads. So this time around it's quite busy. I think I'm the fifth or the sixth car waiting to turn. So I'm still going right at the crossroads into the A41. There's another vehicle now, I can see that is turning right. There's no vehicles up ahead, or maybe there's one now coming. Yeah, they kind of hesitated to stop for me, so I'm going to just go. But it was their priority, so I should have just waited there. Yeah? We are back again to the same crossroads, so this time I'm the fifth vehicle waiting to turn. there's no room for me to go over, so I decided to wait behind the traffic light because I need to keep this junction clear in front of me. So now I'm the first vehicle. I know I'm going to have to go offside to offside, which means I'm going to have to turn behind the vehicle that's waiting at the other traffic light. So again, this situation here, offside to offside, allows vehicles from behind here to fit into the crossroads, so to wait there, and yeah, it gives a better flow of traffic. Also, it's easier for you to see what's happening at the back of the other vehicles. It's easier to spot the gaps. So we're waiting for the light to change. I'm trying to not hesitate, so I know what I'm doing and where to go. So I'm getting the green light, moving off. Let's see what's happening with the other vehicle. Yeah, they decided to go offside to offside as well. So now I've got a clear view of what's happening here. Got another vehicle coming fast. Are they going to stop now? So now the light changed. I need to clear the crossing. Okay, so we are now back again. This time there's plenty of traffic up there into the crossroad. The light just changed to green, if you can see it on the camera. And now we're just moving forwards. So I'm going to turn right at the traffic lights, back into the A41 towards the test center. So now, checking my mirrors, I'm signaling right. And the third vehicle that needs to go, so I'm waiting by the first light on the right. The light changed, so this is a safe position, so I shouldn't go anywhere from there. So if you are in this safe position here, the light changes, there's not enough time for you to go forwards or make progress. Just wait here, nothing is going to happen. It's a perfect position, it's safe. I'm not obstructing vehicles while turning, while moving into the A41, so it's perfect. So now the vehicles on the A41 are starting to turn right, which means it's our turn next. Yeah, so I'm getting ready. I'm waiting for the green lights. I'm going offside to offside, so I'm going to go all the way by the second traffic light on the right. I'm currently at the first one. Yeah. So the light should change now. Yeah, I'm going there. So now my visibility is better, I can see better. I'm not going to take this gap because there's vehicles coming from behind the other vehicles. So yeah, looks quite busy. I'm waiting for the light to change because there's no gaps. The minibus obstructs my exit, so which is not very good. The light change, we'll see what's happening now. We are kind of stuck because of this minibus, but they moved off, so we're going